Hey guys, it's Zaki here, and today in this video I'll be building a $500 gaming PC. So with no further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the case, we have the VIVO ATX Mid gaming case. The case got one 120mm LED fan on the front with two side 120mm fan and one rear 80mm fan. It has one USB 3 port and two USB 2 port. It has 7 expansion slots, also filtered front ventilation and internal cable, and all this comes for $38. Next up is the processor. For the processor we have the AMD FX 6300. This processor runs at 3.5 GHz and is overclocked able up to 4.1 GHz, which is insane. Besides this, CPU got 6 core and all this comes for $94.99. However, in a budget, this thing is a beast. Moving on, we have the motherboard. For the motherboard, I use the MSI 97T gaming motherboard, pricing at $89.99. This motherboard supports AMD FX or Phantom 2 or Athlon 2 or Sempron processors for AM3 Plus socket. It also supports DDR3 memory clocked at 2133 MHz. It has USB 3 including SATA 6 GB per second slots. It has Audio Boost 2 which provides insane sound quality. It also has Sound Blaster Cinema 2. It has gaming device port which are optimized with triple gold plating, and this thing is freaking awesome. However, for $89.99, this thing is a killer. Next up in the list is the GPU. For the GPU, we use the MSI Armor GTX 962GB GDDR5 graphics card. This GPU is clocked at 1178 MHz and can be overclocked up to 1241 MHz. It has a memory interface of 128 bits. It also has one HDMI port and 3 display ports, allowing you dual monitor gaming. This beast runs at DirectX 12, which is just insane. Now for the power supply, we have the EVGA 500 watt power supply coming at $37, and to be honest, this power supply is the best. Now we have the RAM. For the RAM, I use the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB kit, which means 2 4GBs, coming at $36. This RAM automatically overclocks to 1866 MHz, allowing you with smooth gaming and productivity. Next up, we have the HDD, and for the HDD I use the Western Digital EVGA 1TB hard drive, coming at $40. The HDD has a 64 MB case with a SATA 6 GB per second speed, which is awesome. However, you can also add a 240 GB SSD if you wish to by adding $61 more. So that's basically it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up to it. Don't forget to subscribe for similar contents like this. Like my Facebook page from the link in the description box down below. Follow me on Twitter at Asan01Zakir. And if you haven't watched my review of the Thermal Talk TTE Sports gaming combo, check it out. It will be linked in the description box down below. And this is Zakir from Zakir's Tech. Hope you guys enjoyed it and had an awesome day. Till then, take care, guys. Goodbye. Peace.